Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here with a project share. I just got off my live, and I made a tassel on that live. And here's the tassel. If you want to see it, how I made it, you can go on my channel, and I think it's called Let's Make a Tassel. I will link it down below in the description box. So, I used some Chinese braid trim. I used this floral lace, this crochet trim, this sari fabric, and some eyelet trim. Now, I also made my own dangle to go within it. Now, I gotta figure how it got tangled again. Well, somehow it got tangled again, and I figured it out. Okay, all I done was this part here, was took some of my charms, and as you can see, I started with a ball pin. Then I went with, on each charm, they have their own jump ring. But for the ball pin, I connected them with a jump ring. So you got this on this one. You got a heart on the first ball pin. The second ball pin, you have an angel, and so and so and so forth. Okay. The same thing with this part. I did it myself. And then I added some little white pearls here. Let me see if I can get it to clear up. These are from Dollar Tree. And everything else was from my stash. So this is my tassel. If you stay tuned, I'll have some photos at the end of the video for you all to see up close and personal. And maybe a few little clips of it on video. Thank you for watching. Please be kind, be happy, stay safe, be safe, stay crafty, be crafty. Thank you for all your kind words in the comment section. And if you want to be in my next shout out part of my next video, leave a comment underneath this video, and I will add your name to the next video comment shout out. So I will see you. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.